Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning I'm wearing my farmer's apron I made out of a little overall thing I got at Walmart. I converted it into an apron. But it's great to protect your clothes too. See the back, how I made it? If you women is so, you can figure that out. I thought it was cute. This morning we're going to do a sheepherder's breakfast. It's a very simple recipe. I don't think you'll have any trouble with it all. It's all done on top of the stove. So let's get started with it. I'm going to turn this eye on about medium high. And we're going to brown 1 pound of bacon. I used a thin sliced bacon, and it's a hickory smoked, but you could use any kind of bacon you want to. And I thought I would cut it up and cook it, cut up instead of wait until I cook it and then cut it up. So I decided to do it this way. I think this is the easiest way. Now the next thing we add to that is 1 medium-sized onion. We're going to cook those together, and I've already chopped that up. So that's all we do right now until this is browned. I decided that I would do a few breakfast recipes. I've not done very many. And also some appetizers. I've not done very many of those. But over the years, I've made a lot of appetizers because I've had a lot of parties. I've been cooking 72 years, so you know I've done a lot of parties during that time. Done a lot of cooking. When you see me cook, all you see is somebody that's learned from relatives, my mother and my mother-in-law and all my friends all these years, and picked up a lot of good recipes. My family wanted me to video them, and I wanted to share them with the rest of you. You may find a few you don't like. Nobody likes everything. Now I think our bacon and onions is about finished. Now we're going to add our shredded potatoes, and we're going to add 26 ounces. This package only had 20 ounces in it, but I added another 6 ounces out of another package. So we're going to add that to this meat, bacon, and onion mixture. We're going to put this on a sort of a low heat, and we're going to put a lid on it and cook it for 10 minutes. And you will need to stir it every once in a while. You don't want it to get brown, but this is the way it's going to cook without putting it in the oven. If you think it's cooking a little too fast, just turn your stove down a little while. I've got a timer over here timing it. We're going to cook that for 10 minutes. Okay, our 10 minutes is up now, and our potatoes look like they're done. Okay, we're fixing to make some little wells. We've got 7 eggs. I think I probably should have made those wells a little bit deeper. But anyway, we're going to put a little salt and pepper on that. Just whatever you think you want. I like a lot of pepper, so if it looks like it's a lot I'm putting on here, probably more than you want. I like salt better than I do sugar. If you're going to take anything away from me, take the sugar. But here I am, 92 years old, and I don't have high blood pressure though. But sometimes my feet swell, and I don't need the salt. But I'm still eating it, so I don't know. You can put cheese on it, and you don't have to put this cheese if you don't want to. Okay, I'm going to put a little sharp cheddar cheese on top here. Each one of them. Then you can put any amount you want to here. Okay, we're going to put a lid back on it. We cook that at another 10 minutes to make sure the eggs are done. Okay, our breakfast for the sheepherders are ready. They're finished, and I'm going to put them over here We're gonna do a little parsley over the top. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You know, I'm gonna tell you about the parsley. I raised this in a little indoor garden that my son and his wife gave me. I'm gonna taste of this, and I love potatoes. Almost any way you can fix a potato, I like potatoes. And eggs. Eggs are one of my favorite foods too, so I'll sure like this recipe. That's really good. I do hope you try this.